If FC26 keeps crashing on your PC or laptop, won't launch, or closes while loading, this guide will walk you through several simple fixes that can help. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. The first thing to try is restarting your computer. A quick reboot can resolve many temporary issues that may be preventing the game from running properly. After your PC restarts, open the EA app and select FC26. Click Manage, then choose Repair. This will scan and repair any corrupted or missing game files. If there's a pending game update, the EA app may also install it during the repair process, which can fix crashes caused by an outdated version of the game. Once the repair is complete, launch FC26 again and check if the problem has been resolved. If the game is still crashing, close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Web browsers with many tabs open, streaming apps, or other software can use a lot of your system's memory and CPU resources, which may affect the game's performance. If you still don't see the repair option or the issue continues, you can clear the EA app cache manually. Click the Start button, type Run, and open the Run dialog. In the box, type %appdata% and click OK. When File Explorer opens, locate the EA folder, right-click it, and select Delete. Don't worry, this folder only contains temporary cache files, and the EA app will automatically recreate them the next time you launch the game. After deleting the cache, reopen the EA app and start FC26. Hopefully, the game will now launch and run without crashing. If this guide helped you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more FC26 tips and troubleshooting videos.